In this video, I will show you how to install Photopea on a computer, or how to download Photopea on your PC. Let's get started. Open your browser. It works on Chrome, Safari, Microsoft Edge, etc. In the search bar, type Photopea. Click on the first result. You'll land on the software's interface. Click on Start using Photopea. To install it on your device, click on Install Photopea. Click Install. Here you go. Now it's on your device, just like Photoshop. You can pin Photopea to your taskbar. Click Yes when prompted. If this process does not work for you, try this method. Look for the More option in the top menu of the website. Click on More, then select Install Photopea from the drop-down menu. Click Install. Photopea is now successfully installed on your device. If that doesn't work, try this last method. In the top left corner of the browser, locate the Download to Computer icon. Click on it. Then click Install. That's it. Alternatively, go to the three-dot menu in the left sidebar of the browser. Hover over Cast, Save, and Share, and select Install Photopea from the drop-down menu. Click Install. Once installed, an icon will be created on your desktop or in your Start menu. This icon lets you launch Photopea directly, providing a more streamlined experience compared to accessing it through a browser. To find and open Photopea, click the Photopea icon in your taskbar, or use the desktop shortcut icon, or type Photopea in the search bar and click on it. I hope you now know all the ways to install and run Photopea on your device.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.